Hi, my name is Svetlana and I'm your language coach with 12 years of expertise. If you have been looking for a way to learn Russian and you found this language very difficult, very challenging and confusing, you should watch this video. In this video, I'm going to show the easiest way to learn Russian alphabet and to start reading in Russian from the first class. We have this table. I call it magical table because it is really magical. You can learn alphabets for months, or you can use this table and start reading already from the first class. You see here we have equivalents. So this is in Russian and this is in English. A, B, V, G, D, E, not E. Sometimes we read it as E, but normally it's pronounced as E, E with more tension than English one. Yo, the difference is dots up, like eyes. Yo. J, J, like in French or like in English like English word genre. Z, number 3, it's Z. E, we don't have really difference between long E, short E. For us, it's always just E, any kind, E. Y, Y, Y. Y, kind of like an yo, Y. K, L, M, N, O, P. Be very attentive here because that's the confusion that a lot of English speakers have. P, R, P, R. R, it's more like in Spanish. You don't really put your tongue behind. You put it in front and you can caress the space behind your upper teeth. R, R. S and only S. We don't have K. T, U, F, H, C. A lot of English, Spanish speakers have problems with C. To understand how to pronounce C, you need to pronounce first T and then S, and then just to put them together. T, S, T, S, T, T, S. But you need to do it without space. So this is T, this is S, Ts, Ts. Ch, Sh. To pronounce Sh, your mouth should be rounded. It's like normal Sh, like in the word shop. Sh, Sh, Sh. This one that looks almost identical, this is Sh, but you need to smile for it. Your mouth should become one line. Sh, Sh. You can't pronounce Sh without smiling. Sh. Hard sign. It makes previous sound hard, or it separates sounds from each other. So we don't really read it when we see it. It affects previous sound. U. U and E are two confusing sounds in Russian. The difference is the tongue position. Your tongue is gonna be back. So if I pronounce E, my tongue is down and I touch my teeth with E, E, U. I need to put my tongue back. U, E, U, E, U. Or you just can imagine that you're very angry at someone. Soft sign, the opposite of hard sign, it makes previous sound soft, so it softens the preceding consonant. It only is used with consonants, not with vowels. E. This one, it's always confused with ye. Yeah, but the difference that it's more like English You, like the word you, and ya. Ya. Ya actually means I. Ya. It's a letter and a word. Ya.